my name is Haida Pillanes and I am a digital business owner and mentor. So you are thinking about starting an online business. Well, here are the 5 tips to get started. Number 1, before you start, get clear on your why. To run your business, is it more time with your family? Your why will fuel your motivation, especially when challenges arise. Number 2, choose a business that aligns with your lifestyle. Not all businesses are the same. Look for one that offers flexibility, scalability, and matches your goal. Number 3, you don't need to be tech savvy or an expert to begin. Be open to learning skills like marketing and mindset because you know what? The most successful entrepreneurs start beginners but they are stay consistent and coachable. Number 4, social media. Social media is a powerful for attracting the right people to your business. Focus on showing up authentically, sharing values, and building connections because your vibe will attract your tribe. Number 5, take action even if it is scary. Because you know what? Starting something new feels overwhelming, intimidating, but waiting for the perfect time will hold you back because there's no such thing as a perfect time. The best time to start is now. The sooner you take action, the sooner you create the life you want. Are you ready to take action? Let's chat.